Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Jeffree Star mystery box. I got the Deluxe mystery box. I'm really excited to open this because last time I got the mystery box, I actually discovered what is my favorite lipstick now, which is Scandal. I got that in my last mystery box and I use it all the time. Okay, so the first item I got is Jeffree's Girl, and this is the lip ammunition. Oh, it's a really hot pink shade. It looks really pretty. And then I got the question mark lipstick. Ooh, that is really a pretty color. And yeah, on the bottom it just has a question mark. I'm going to go and put the question mark shade on my lips. I really like it. So it's definitely more of a cool tone pink. It kind of reminds me of like a baby doll pink. I actually really like that. So even though it has a question mark, it still indicates the ingredients here. So one ingredient is dimethicone. Dimethicone is an ingredient that I have an entire video dedicated to for is it good or bad for your skin and hair. I'll have that video linked down below. In short, it is actually a very moisturizing ingredient. It's actually listed on the FDA website as an FDA approved skin protectant. And then it has cyclopentosiloxane. Siloxanes are similar to silicones, but they are a bit more volatile. So I think that is what kind of helps this to dry down. There's obviously more to it than just that ingredient, but I think that is one component of this lipstick that does help it kind of dry down on the lips so that it stays, you know, if you've tried this formula, you know how great it is and how it stays on the lips really well. And honestly, the velour liquid lipsticks are my favorite lipsticks because they're really comfortable, they're transfer proof, they're not messy or anything, so I really enjoy this color. And then I also got the shade Can't Relate, which I know I've seen that on the site before. Oh, okay, I'll go ahead and do a swatch on my wrist. Yeah, so it's sort of a nude pink. I see a little bit of brownish, like a brownish peachy. Yeah, at least on camera I feel like it looks more brown, but in person it's kind of got a little bit of a peachy undertone. And then I'll just go ahead and swatch. So this is Jeffree's Girl, the bullet lipstick. I'll swatch it next to it. So that's Jeffree's Girl. So I think this is a really good combination of lipsticks I got here. So it's a variety of pinks, but they're all very different pinks. And I'm really happy with what I've gotten so far. Let's see. So now I have the Liquid Frost. This is an Ice Queen. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. I've never tried his Liquid Frost, but I do really love his Supreme Skin Frost. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm really excited. I'm gonna go on. I don't have any highlighter on right now. Yeah, so I put a little too much, but it's definitely a pink color. I'm gonna use my beauty blender and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my cheekbones. Ooh, I really like that actually. I think that would also be really pretty. This color would be really pretty as a topper over blush. I'm really liking this so far. It actually works really well with my skin tone. My question is it eye safe? Okay, so looking at the ingredients, I don't see a reason it wouldn't be eye safe, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my lid. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I'm going to put it in my inner corner a little bit too. Wow, okay, so I'm so happy with these products that I got in this. The last thing is a PopSocket. So yeah, I'm really happy with everything that I got. This was the mystery shade, which I really enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off and just show you what the other colors look like on the lips as well. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put the shade Can't Relate on. I know this is a color that I considered getting before, so I'm really excited that I got it. Yeah, so this is definitely more of a nude shade. So this is actually a really beautiful nude shade. I definitely see myself reaching for this a lot. So far this has been a really successful mystery box for me. I've been very happy with everything. And I apologize for my voice. I'm a little bit under the weather. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and lastly swatch Jeffree's Girl on my lips. It has a bit of a scent to it, but I'm not sure what it smells like. A little bit citrusy. This is definitely a very bright color, more of a neon pink, but I do like it. Hey, and for this one, the first ingredient is castor seed oil, which I mentioned this in some previous videos, but castor seed oil, in addition to being very moisturizing for your lips, there are actually studies that show that it's antimicrobial, so antibacterial. So I always really appreciate that being an ingredient because it's great at moisturizing, but it's also has antibacterial properties. So I had so much fun unboxing this mystery box. I hope that you enjoyed watching this. Thanks so much for watching.